Hey there, people. So yesterday, as I opened the hood just to check the fluids, noticed damage here on the this is the radiator for the AC. So as you can see here, the hood, it's this part right here, grind the aluminum of this radiator. So the distances in here, they're not the same because this pin right here, the mount, it's a rivet, it's not in place. It's supposed to be on this hole right here. It's supposed to be straight right there, but because it's broken, yeah, this is the new one that I have, and this is the broken one. So this is like $6 a piece. I've replaced this, so probably I replaced it in the shop. So I'm not sure if the guy that replaced the radiator broke my holder, but I'm just gonna replace it right away now. This is about 1.5 millimeters in, but I can see it's pretty thick, so it's still okay. So this is gonna go very, very easy in there. I'm just gonna show you right away. It's pretty straight in. First, make sure you align the two holes right here. See the head right there, the flower. And now I'm just gonna put this one right here. It's very easy, and that's it. Pretty even right now. Just a very easy type of lock, but sadly, if it's broken, it can create a lot of damage. Not anymore. This one is pretty tight, looks pretty good. No leaks. That's it.